it's Mr. S, and today I would like to describe the pros and cons of to-do lists. Yeah, it looks like this. Yeah, with the memo pad, and then there's a checkbox. I know it's cats, but I just made those up, and it looks like this, actually. Oh, I need to go buy groceries. It's in the list. Clean the bathroom. I need to create lesson plans. I need to go somewhere, maybe a post office, maybe go to a restaurant. Well, maybe not a restaurant, but go to a some kind of store to get different things, And once you're done, you put a check mark or you just delete them, and then you add a new one. In this video, I would like to describe the pros and cons of using to-do lists, and I would like to show how I kind of changed a little bit of that to-do list, because I know there are some things that are not good, the cons, so I changed a little bit of the to-do list and I'm doing it in a little bit different way. So the pros of the to-do list, and here they are. I'm pretty sure the people who use to-do lists, they use it because of these three reasons. Of course, there might be more, but the to-do list, it's easy to see, it's simple to use, and you won't forget the tasks that you need to do. You just look at the to-do list, and you have a list of things you need to do, and you just look at it, and you know what you have to do, things you have to do. So it's going to be easy for you to see what you need to do. Simple to use. Once you figured out what you need to do, you write it down on the list. If you're done, you just delete them or put a check mark or whatever you want to do. But that's all you need to do. Just write it down what you need to do, check mark or delete them once you're finished. And number three, instead of having it on your head, thinking about, oh, I need to do this and I need to do this, rather than that, you might want to write it down on the to-do list and then you won't forget it. So these are some of the pros these are the pros for using to-do lists. Now, the other side, the cons. Easy tasks are done quicker, and it's difficult to understand sometimes what's important and what's not important that much. So, like for example, you have multiple tasks on the to-do list. Maybe like the slide that I showed in the beginning. Buy groceries, write a lesson plan, clean bathroom. Maybe cleaning the bathroom, going get groceries might be easy, but making a lesson plan might be hard. And probably you might have this experience, but oh, I think I can do this right now, and you just knock off the easy one, and maybe you knock off the other easy one. Oh, I might do this one later. And that might happen. Easy tasks are done quicker, but sometimes this one difficult or couple of difficult tasks might be left, and you might look at it tomorrow or the next day and then be like, oh, I have to do this and this. Well, I can knock this one out. I don't think I have time for this, or I don't feel like doing this, so it's a little hard, So easy tasks are done quick. On the other hand, the difficult tasks is going to be hard to start, or even just hard to finish or even start. And the next thing is it's difficult to understand what's important. You have a bunch of lists, like maybe 10, and every time you look at it, you have to figure out, okay, what to do, which one to do. Let's see, I'll go with this. There is no like priority. You don't know which one is important, which one's not so important. So what happens is those difficult tasks, those I'm gonna do it later tasks and I don't feel like it, those tasks will be remained incomplete and stays on the task, on the list, to-do list. So the cons of the to-do list are, what I know of is these two, and instead I would suggest make a schedule so that you know the priority. Like, for example, I'm gonna do this on this day. I'm gonna do this in the morning of this day. I'm gonna do it from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, so make a schedule, and also you can make a rule, like create a deadline of it or when to do it, just like I said earlier, do this on this day, on this time of this day, or even just like simple rules like from the top, I'm gonna do the to-do list from the top and just go through, that's it. Now for this one, yes, you won't be able to figure out the priority, but you will be able to finish the to-do list, the things on the to-do list. So here's how I use to-do list. I actually make a schedule of the next day's morning and afternoon, the things I need to do in the morning and things I might want to do in the afternoon. So, like for example, creating this video, I put that on the afternoon stuff. In the morning, I usually take time going outside, just walk and jog around. And I also did a little bit of lesson plans in the morning, so that's what I did. The day before, at night, I think about the next day's plan. Of course, I'm not really strict like on this, from this 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock I do this. No, I'm not really that strict, but I do follow what I have to do in the morning and what I have to do in the afternoon. Like, here's an example of the rule that I made to myself. It's kind of like a schedule, yes. When I wake up, a rule of waking up. I wake up, get out of my bed and brush my teeth, wash my face, get water, change clothes, go outside, or it doesn't have to be outside if it's raining, I can stay inside and do my exercise. And then, do the things I need to do for the morning and, take a lunch and then do things for the afternoon. Once I'm finished with things I need to do, I'm done for the day. I don't do anything else. I just use my time to do something else, like cooking, just watch some videos, things like that. It's the free time that I use. So these are the ways I change the to-do list a little bit. And please understand that this is just one example. There are different ways to do this. I know there are more pros and cons of the to-do list, and some might agree, disagree, but I hope this will be kind of like a example, just to look and see what people might do, people use the to-do list. Right. So that's the end of the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful for you. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe my channel. And check out the other videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.